Number 1. 1968 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $3,500, Kennewick, Washington. This Chevrolet C20 CST custom camper 3-ton pickup features a small block V8 paired with a TH400 automatic transmission, power steering, and power brakes. With only 28,326 miles showing, it still runs and drives well. Body shows age with rocker and door corner rust plus dents, but its originality and heavy-duty suspension make it a strong project base. Number 2. 1963 Ford F100, $1,700, Cokato, Minnesota. A parts or project truck with a smooth-running 292 cubic inch V8 and manual transmission. The body needs extensive attention, including floor and support brace repairs, but the box and doors remain solid. With a fair grille and missing hardware, it suits restoration hobbyists seeking an affordable entry point into 1960s Ford pickups. Number 3. 1966 Ford F600, $1,500, Sterling, Nebraska. This heavy-duty F600 has a 330 V8, 4-speed transmission, and 2-speed rear axle. Engine, transmission, and lift bed operate, but brakes are weak and window glass is broken. The odometer is non-functional and title is missing. Once intended as a hauler, it now requires major work, yet remains appealing to enthusiasts of vintage medium-duty Ford trucks. Number 4. 1965 Chevrolet COE C50, $3,500, Grants Pass, Oregon. A fascinating hybrid project. This snub-nosed C50 sits on a 1987 Suburban chassis with 4x4 axles, a 350 V8, and 700 R4 automatic. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, tilt column, and aftermarket seats, it also includes vintage slot mags. Wiring, drive shafts, and finishing are incomplete, but it presents an ambitious builder's opportunity. Number 5. 1978 Chevrolet LUV pickup, $4,800, Golden Valley, Arizona. Chevrolet's compact import pickup built by Isuzu, the LUV offered 1,480-pound payload and a 1.8-liter SOHC 4-cylinder engine. This example is in excellent condition with a manual transmission and rolled-over odometer. With styling updates introduced in 1978, it is an increasingly collectible light truck with Japanese reliability under Chevrolet branding. Number 6. 1955 Ford F100, $3,500, Estancia, New Mexico. This half-ton short bed retains its Y-block V8 with floor-shift manual transmission. It has been off the road for over 30 years, but the engine turns freely. Lacking a title, it remains largely rust-free and uncut, a rare find for an unmodified mid-50s Ford pickup and a solid foundation for restoration. Number 7. 1965 International D1300, $3,000, El Sereno, California. An international flatbed truck with an 8-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It runs but requires major electrical work, 90% rewiring. With its rugged design and clean title, it offers a rare slice of international harvester truck history, suited for restoration by enthusiasts of unconventional American work trucks. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet C20 4x4 Flatbed, $4,200, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 3/4-ton four-wheel drive flatbed shows 116,995 miles and features a strong drivetrain with a mechanically locked rear differential, manual hubs, and solid 4x4 function. Used occasionally for hauling wood and towing, it remains a dependable workhorse, ideal for someone seeking a capable utility truck with vintage Chevrolet character. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet Pickup, $3,700, Barney, North Dakota. A Chevrolet Cheyenne extended cab long box with 5.7-liter V8 and four-wheel drive. With 164,000 miles, it runs and drives well. The exterior has been coated with undercoating that is now peeling, which impacts appearance. Still, it offers reliable mechanicals at a fair price for a late 1980s work pickup. Number 10. 1988 Ford F-350 crewcab Lariat, $3,000, Maple Ridge, Washington. This F-350 crewcab with 460 V8 and 5-speed manual shows 190,000 miles. The interior remains in good condition, though the body has a large crack and the fuel sending unit requires replacement. Light rust noted. With dual rear wheels and heavy-duty capacity, it is practical for restoration or continued work duty. Number 11. 1989 Ford Ranger XLT, $4,000, Springfield, Oregon. A well-preserved Ranger XLT with just 61,000 miles and a 2.9-liter 6-cylinder engine paired with automatic transmission. Maintained with new ignition and fuel components, it includes warranty parts service records. Equipped with cloth interior, chrome step bumper, rear anti-lock brakes, and sliding rear window, this clean Ranger is an appealing compact pickup. Number 12. 1985 Ford F-150 XLT, $1,500, Bellingham, Washington. A largely original four-wheel drive F-150 with 351M V8 and automatic transmission, equipped with dual fuel tanks, factory air conditioning. It turns over but requires a carburetor rebuild with both new and original carbs included. With 130,000 miles, it is a strong candidate for restoration thanks to its originality. Number 13. 1979 Ford F-150 Custom, $800, Priest River, Idaho. Offered as a parts truck with no title, this F-150 has a blown engine, but comes with an additional motor and transmission of unknown condition. New tires and tune-up parts are included. Priced at $800, it serves best as a donor vehicle or ambitious project starter. Number 14. 1989 Dodge D350 Dually Flatbed, $3,950, Oregon City, Oregon. This Dodge D350 Dually Flatbed has a V8 with manual transmission. Recent work includes a tune-up, new water pump, hoses, plugs, and LED headlights. The odometer shows 69,313 miles, but is broken and rolled over. With its heavy-duty build and recent service, it remains a functional classic hauler. Number 15. 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit Sport Truck, $4,500, Paso Robles, California. Volkswagen's compact front-wheel drive pickup fitted with a 1.7-liter engine and 5-speed manual transmission. This example, showing around 100,000 miles, has seen extensive recent maintenance, including timing belt, fuel system parts, ignition module, and brakes. Needs muffler and CV boots. With current registration and daily usability, it is a rare survivor of Volkswagen's American truck experiment.